So this is the continuation of my first video, how to create a verified PayPal account. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the red flag from your account. If your account has been red flagged, how to remove it from your account. And you can use your account to transact business, receive payment, and send money and do all sorts of things in that account. So stay tuned and please kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and without wasting my time, let's get straight to the video and I'll show you how to do that. First of all, we need to log into our account, the current PayPal account we've created, and this is the account. And as you can see, notification, the red flag button is there. We want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities in your account. So they are saying that due to their privacy policy, they've noticed that this account is suspicious, so they've restricted some things that you can't do in the account. So you need to verify. They are requiring some information from you that you need to verify those information before you'll be able to use this account effectively. So you can see my balance. I have not done anything. I haven't received or sent money in this account. This is a new account, and this is the red button. As you can see, the red button is there. If the account was not restricted, there wouldn't be this red button, the red button, as you can see there. But since the account has been restricted, that's why you can see the red button right there. So this is what they are saying. We want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You will need to provide the requested information to regain full access. So you need to provide information before you can have access to this account. So click on see details to know the type of information they want us to provide. So after clicking on see details, this is where you have been landed, and this is what they are saying. We need some information from you. They are still saying they need more information from us, so we need to provide those information. And before that, if you check down, that is in an impact or in an effort to keep your account secure, we have also limited certain features. So that means some features have been limited in your account. So let's see which type of features that you can use the account to do. So you click on account impact, and you can pay using PayPal. You can refund, or you can refund money to customers. If you are owing someone, you can refund it, or PayPal will refund the money. You can send money or payment or make payment. You can receive money or make payment. You can withdraw money from the account. So there are more. So let's see the more. You can't, or you can read it yourself. There are a lot of them. You can add a bank account. You can add a debit or a credit card. You can remove a bank account, and you can refund money. You can update your profile, maybe in case maybe that is the reason why PayPal limited the account. So you need to update the information so that you'll be able to get the accurate information, so you can resolve this. So we need to resolve or upload a photo ID, but we don't know the type of photo ID they are requesting for. So you need to click on the resolve. You need to click on resolve to know the type of photo ID PayPal is requesting from you. So we click on resolve, and they're saying upload the photo ID, but this is the type of photo ID they want. They've described it. Your document needs to be valid and legible. The submitted information on the document must correspond with the information on your PayPal account. I told you when we were creating the account that you must use your correct date of birth and your correct name. So here, the information on the card should be the same as the one in your PayPal account. If you make a mistake, you update or you upload an ID which is different from the name in your PayPal account, they are just going straight forward to block your account. So we click on ID type. So we choose your national ID card. If you are in Ghana, you have your Ghana card. If you are in Nigeria, you can use your national ID card. Any country you are in and you are watching this video, use your national ID card. I don't know the type of ID you are using there. The one that is a national ID. You can use your driving license, you can use your passport, but I am using my national ID card. So as I'm in my photos, I'm going to blur this interface. So I'm going to upload my ID card. So I just click on the photo or the ID, and it is going to upload. So now it has uploaded, and you can see it down there. The image is there. So you check to see if that is the correct image you have uploaded. Then what? You submit. If you want to add another image again, you can also click on add file and add as many as proofs you want to prove to PayPal that this image or this ID belongs to you and it corresponds to the PayPal account you have created. So you click on submit. So let's click on submit to see if PayPal, this is the first time I'm doing this, so let's see if PayPal will actually remove the red button from our account. So maybe because of we are creating this new, your information has been submitted. Maybe I'll pause the video and wait. When they've sent me the email, I will continue this video from there. So let's see if within some few time PayPal will remove the red flag button from my account. So my information has been submitted successful, and you can see we are reviewing your information and we'll get back to you regarding the status of reference ID, and the ID distance is there, ID number is there. So guys, this is how you can do this. So they've sent me an email. Let's see what the email is saying. They said your information is being reviewed. Let's see the email. Let me click on the email to see what the email is saying or what PayPal is saying. So I'm clicking on the email to send me to my email account, and I'll see what the message entails. So let me click on the image, the email they've sent me. So this is the email. Your information is being reviewed with reference ID number this. Your information is being reviewed. So log into your PayPal to check. So guys, I'll pause here and later I'll continue this video when my account, to show whether they've limited or they've removed the red button. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this video. I'll be teaching on how some people find it difficult to link their cards to their bank cards to their PayPal account. They can't do it, and I'll be showing you the correct banks in all the countries that we are in, or in all the countries that I will show you the type of bank account what you can use. So in some few moments time, I've received an email from PayPal showing that my limitations, they've checked my documents corresponding to the one in my email or in my PayPal account, and it corresponds. So my limitations has been removed. So guys, as you can see, the red flag is no more there. It is now left with the green flag. So the red flag is no more there, and I'm so happy. Guys, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you how you can link your card to your PayPal account and the type of banks you can use. So this is where you link your card to your PayPal account. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video. I will show you in my next video how you can link your card and which type of bank that PayPal, no matter what, if you try to link it, it is going to work. So in this video, the best thing for you to do is try and remove the red flag. If you don't remove the red flag, you will not be able to link your card or use certain features. You can't send money, you can't receive money, and you can't link your card. So you need to remove the red flag. So from now onwards, you know how to remove the red flag. And after removing the red flag, the next thing to do is to link your card. And if you're able to link your card successful, then you can start to use your PayPal account to do or to transact business. So guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in my next video I'm going to show you how you can use your card, your bank card, your Visa card, your ATM card to link to this PayPal account, and it is going to work effectively for you. So thank you for watching, and I thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you, and thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.